Loneliness isn't the problem. This is commentary from James Brown. Think about it. What if loneliness isn't the problem? What if it's about how we handle it? Our minds are powerful, and the way we think about it can turn it into something far worse. That's according to a study from the University of Hong Kong that found that it's not being alone that leads to depression. It's what we do with those thoughts. The more we fixate on questions like, why am I so alone? The heavier it feels. Those thoughts dig in, and the spiral, well, it's deep. It turns a passing feeling into something paralyzing. But here's the thing. Our minds can work both ways. If we stop tinkering with the thought and give ourselves some grace, the cycle can break. Maybe it's not just about fixing loneliness, but about not letting it take over. A small step, a call, a walk, or even just sitting with the feeling without judgment could be enough. What do you think? Is loneliness the problem, or is it the way that we face it? And have you dealt with a spiral like this? Let me know in the comments and support my work at jamesbrowntv.substack.com. On that note, I'm James Brown, and as always, be well.